Hello, my name is John Hill with EandM. I'm one of your product specialists here on the Pacific Northwest, and I had a question for you today. What do you think of when you hear the word Festo? If you're like most of us, you probably think pneumatics, and you'd be right. They have a great line of pneumatics, but what most people don't realize is they also have a lot of products for the process industry, process automation. Today I'd like to show you some of these products. I have with me the Festo Sanitary demo case. And we're going to go ahead and pull some of these out and take a closer look at them and kind of show you how some of these are great for those clean environments that you have needs for, sanitary places, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, well, different processes such as that. To be fair, most of these do still involve pneumatics, but it's for that process industry that we want to focus on and how we can help you out there. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange and show you a closer look of these.
All right, we're going to start off here with a couple of VZQA. These are the pinch valves from Festo. These things can be received in either normally open or normally closed as a standard. They have a pinch in the middle, so they actually, have something inside here that closes shut and opens. It's made of elastomer. When it's open, it's a fully free flowing, so minimum of resistance going through that. Quick and easy replacement of that diaphragm. If something happens, you need to get in there. Easy to clean design with the stainless steel. Flow direction in either direction on these units. So very, very modular for that. Pressure range, if you get it in the normally open, they will handle from 0 to 4 bar. And then in the normally closed, 0 to 6 bar. In sizes from ½ inch on the normally closed, and we can go all the way up to 1 inch and down to 1/4 inch on the normally open. And then we have stainless steel with the sanitary weld or sanitary clamp on either end. I'm just going to turn that around and give you a little look, a nice little unit. There's your air port on it. So those we've got, and then from there we're going to move on and look at our sanitary ball valve. This here is our VZBD. It's a two-way stainless steel ball valve. It's ideal for the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry. Sealing is compliant with FDA standards. Electropolished surfaces, long welded ends or clamping sleeves underneath our protectors that we got here so we don't get any debris inside of this, our demo unit. And then that one is available in ½ inch all the way up to 4 inch size, so you can get a pretty good size end on these for larger pipelines. And then all the way up to 1,000 psi this thing can handle. So that can handle, quite a bit of pressure with that. We also have something in line with that, similar to it, would be our butterfly valve. This is a VZFA. Again, 1 to 4 inch lines capable on this unit. 0 to 10 bar or 145 psi that it can handle. And again, with that stainless steel, and you can do the sanitary weld on it or the sanitary clamping. And these units here have got an actuator on the top, so we can actually get these hand actuated if we want, or with the actuators that I'm going to show you next. Or, after one more valve. I'm going to show you a pinch valve first, and then we'll show you the actuators. So this unit here is a VZXA angle seat valve, meant for flow in just the one direction to go through, and then it pinches down and closes that line off. This thing can handle 0 to 30 bar in the line. Comes in sizes a ½ inch pipe up to 2½ inch. Can handle a couple different actuator sizes depending on the size of the valve itself. Can be gotten with threaded ends on it or with clamp or weld ends on it. Stainless steel, like the other ones that we've been looking at. So quick and easy maintenance on this as well with that stainless steel. Just wipe it off, spray it off, whatever you need to do. And a long service life out of these units. Then we'll show you a couple of actuators to go with those ball valves that we were looking at earlier. Here is a DVPD quarter turn actuator. It's got a gear rack and pinion combination, constant torque characteristics, suitable for the automation of those butterfly valves or the ball valves that we were looking at. Also can be used on air dampers if you have other types of things that you need actuated outside of the sanitary areas that we have been talking about. This guy will run on 2 to 8 bar. Comes in connections with either NOMR or G-thread. Can be ordered in both a single or a double acting. So you can get the single acting with a spring return, so just air powered in one direction, spring in the other, or with air power in both directions. Again, that's a DVPD actuator. Next we're going to move on to another actuator. This one here is our DAPS. So stainless steel. The other one, had a painted housing on it. This one is completely stainless steel all the way around. Has high breakaway torques. Mounting hole pattern to VID/VDE 3845. So standard mounting hole patterns available with a hand wheel or as a manual emergency override that you can get with it. Corrosion resistant. 2 to 8 bar again, and with the NOMR or the G-thread, single or double acting, just like the other unit that we looked at. And then other than that, we have a lot of products to go with and connect these. So we have various types of tubing. All of these are going to be FDA compliant for those clean room settings. A variety of different fittings to go into the units we just looked at, hoses to run through those clean room environments, and everything in between. So hopefully we've given you some ideas of things that will help you in your process industry. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at your local EandM office. Thank you.